Itemit Tutorial 8 Reminders. Reminders are one of the most used features in itemit. Here we'll cover how they work. Itemit's Reminders feature allows you to log and monitor important dates such as inspection due dates, warranty expiries and maintenance schedules. You'll get notified when these are due and can pull off reports to see which reminders are upcoming. If you need to track PAT tests, for example, you can set the date and set the reminder to repeat each year. When the reminder is due, you will get an email notifying you that the PAT test is due. To create a reminder on the app, head to the Reminders section on an Assets profile and press plus. Enter the name of the reminder, such as PAT test, the date it becomes due, the time it becomes due, and whether it should repeat or not. Repeat intervals can be set by default at various intervals or can be customized by pressing the Custom button. You can also view your reminders quickly by pressing Alerts, then Reminders. Here you can toggle by your due reminders, expiring reminders, and by all historic reminders. You can also toggle by reminders assigned to you. These are reminders that have been added to assets where you are the assignee. Reminders are set up exactly the same way in the web portal, with a plus next to the Reminders feature. Then you can enter the name, the date and time, and the repeat interval. In the Reminders tab in the web portal, you can also filter by all reminders, expiring reminders, and due reminders. When reminders are due, your account administrators will get an email, ready for the necessary action to be taken. Never miss an important date again with itemit.